Welcome to the 2024 Economic Depression and Preparation Channel. I'm your host, Tony. Thank you for joining me on this Sunday edition, November 10th, 2024. A special thank you to all of our veterans who have served and who are currently serving in any branch of our armed forces. We thank you, we love you, we appreciate your support for this country all around the world. And please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Preach to me for the latest interpretation of financial news as it becomes available. I appreciate your support, ladies and gentlemen. And today, as you know, things were going up on the Dow Jones. Things were going up last week on the Bitcoin, gold and silver, everything, crypto, everything was going up. Crypto lovers say that Bitcoin hit 80,000 for the first time as crypto traders bask in Trump's election victory. So ever since last week, everything has been going up to the moon right now in terms of on Wall Street and on the crypto lanes. But there's still work to be done, obviously, to bring this country back on track economically. And so cryptos is one thing that's going up. That's great news with XRP, payment systems, things of this nature. Bitcoin continues to surge above 80,000. Previously this year it had been down around the 60,000 mark or so, and now it's jumped up to 80,000 again. And so it's on the rise for the crypto lovers in America. Now, average rate for 30-year fixed mortgage continues to rise for the sixth straight week. We're above 7.7% right now. This is the highest level since July. And so this is continuing to be a huge issue here for the economy here because prices haven't gone down that much. In many hot markets, prices have only come down maybe 5 to 10%. Asking price. And then you still have the rates on top of that. And then on top of that, you still have rising either insurances, homeowner insurances, or property taxes in some of these states. Not all of the states. That's good news. But still, 30-year fixed mortgages continue to go up to 6.79%, up from 6.72% last week, according to Freddie Mac, the mortgage buyer. So for those who are looking to buy a house, they probably are going to be holding off for a few months to see what's going to happen, if these things are going to be coming down or going to be staying up. For that case. But the Fed is likely to cut interest rates again Thursday. They've already done this as in past tense. They've already cut interest rates again by 25 basis points. They're going to be cutting interest rates again by 25 basis points. And we're going to see how the market handles that this Thursday. You know, will it continue to go to the moon, or will it go, don't go at all? And the thing about it, it's not so much the interest rates the problem. It's the problem that the high unemployment rate that we're going to be facing in the beginning of 2025, continuing to go up, as well as prices not coming down. There's going to be stagflation. Prices are not going to be coming down in a lot of goods and services for all Americans, and that's going to be the major problem for the Federal Reserve Bank and for many people in this economy. Is that how do we balance that? How do we get out of this? While at the same time spending money to improve our infrastructure, to improve our quality of life. And that's going to be a big problem here, at least for the short term. And so we'll have to see what happens. But state governments are already tightening their budgets. According to CNBC.com last week, they said the state governments are tightening their budgets as they expect some, financial trouble here. Some U.S. states are in financial trouble because they have to finance these pensions. They have to finance other taxes, and the amount of taxes that the state governments are getting is not meeting. It's not meeting the demands of what they have to do as far as state fiscal responsibility. So virtually every state made a tax cut, according to Justin Teal. He's a senior officer at the Pew Travel Trust. He said that virtually every state also increased employee pay for public employees. So it's not a good combination. You have taxes being cut, but employees' salaries in the states have been going up, or at least, nominally going up. So but that means that 27 states are unable to finance their existing liabilities. And I've already mentioned this to you guys. The unfunded pensions owed to former public employees. The most indebted states, of course, are Connecticut, New Jersey, Illinois, Massachusetts, and, of course, the all-important California. So that's what's going to happen here. And it's not going to happen with states. It's going to start to happen with our social services program, like Social Security, Medicare. They're not going to totally get rid of it, but they're going to make some reductions in this type of pay if conditions continue to warrant that, and we can see that coming up very, very soon here because of the shortfalls that they're going to be facing here. So either way, these states are going to be raising the taxes and fees on they might come up with new utility fees, these 27 states here, to help raise tax capital, or they're going to, be raising prices in other areas of our lives, to try to make up for the shortfalls here that they're experiencing here, because they're not getting the money anymore. They're not going to be getting the money from the feds that much anymore. They might get a little bit more, yes, of course, with the infrastructure bills and other things are going to be passing, but they're going to have a hard time catching up, making a difference for those who are currently retiring versus those who have retired, say, 10, 15 years ago or so. So we'll see. But in any event, keep preparing best way you can. Keep faith, keep the faith. God is going to bless those who help themselves, who prepare in due time and in due season. And I'll definitely catch you on the next episode. Have a good holiday if you're off on Veterans Day, or if you're going for a special meal. Enjoy it, savor it, and just enjoy life. There's still good things going on around this world. There's still good people, great people around the world here, and around this country here. And I thank God for every one of you for your support. And I'll see you in the next episode after Tuesday when we get back to the markets opening up again. Thank you very much. God bless.